Hey guys, what's happening? How to add a book an appointment option on LinkedIn. So if you want to add a book an appointment option so people can reach out and book an interview or session with you, what you're going to do is just go ahead and hit enhance profile. And as you can see right here, with premium you can get personalized profile suggestions from AI, add a custom button, and feature key details at the top of your profile. If you don't have premium, don't worry, you have other way around it. All right, so the other way around it is you can click the pencil right here at the top under your banner. Right, you're gonna wait for a few moments, okay, and then scroll a little bit down into the contact info, hit edit contact info, enter your phone number, and of course the phone type, right, address, the birthday, and of course here add your website so people can book an interview with you, right? Either using your phone number or your website to, schedule a meeting or a session with you. And after you finish, just go ahead and hit save right here, and the contact info will appear under your bio right here next to your location, and people now will be able to book an interview and reach out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.